How to transfer Instagram account from one phone to another. Now this simply means that you'll have to log out from one phone and log in into another one. So it's really simple. All you have to do is open up your Instagram. After you open your Instagram, you'll first have to, just log out from your this device. So just go to your profile section. It's on the bottom right. And after you do that, tap on the three lines on the top right. So after you do that, just scroll down all the way. And after scrolling down all the way, you will see something like log out under log in section. Just tap on log out and you'll be logged out of this account on your this device. So after you log out, all you have to do is log in into your Instagram on your another device. And after you do that, you'll basically have transferred your Insta account from one phone to another. So if you have just forgotten your password, you can just recover it using your email and you are good to go. So yeah, that is all for this video guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.